As promised, room tour. The first thing I do before I book a hotel is immediately go on TikTok and Instagram and try and find out as much as I can about the resort that I'm going to. So that is why I am doing this for you. You love a nosy and I don't mind sharing. We are staying at the Maldives and it's quite a new resort. Everything is really crisp, clean and contemporary, and all the villas come with pools, which is brilliant. This has got floor to ceiling glass all the way around. It has electric blinds that come down, so everything is really private, but it has a lovely seating area and sunbathing area here, and the inside is really open plan. So as you can see, there's a huge bath there and also a lovely vanity area to do your makeup. This is one of the reasons why we chose this resort, because of the decor. It's really, really beautiful. They sleep 3 in here in our children's villa. They have that area there that's made up into a bed as well. It's got a gorgeous kind of dressing area and there's loads of goodies. They give you a lovely free bag and got some nice robe. The kids were super impressed with the minibar because it had like sweets and crisps and that kind of thing, as well as the normal things that you get. So we've had a fantastic few days. Let me know if you want to see a tour of the beach villa.